What's going on, beautiful people? It's your boy Terrence Gibson here with another compilation video. Had a lot of stuff to do today. Definitely going on vacation tomorrow, so I won't have time to do too many videos. So we're just going to do one video today. We're going to try to run through it. I always say try to run through it, but you know, we're going to do it. We're going to make it do what it do. All right, so we got 1714. Make sure that's what that is. So we made about $914 since we flipped the script up on this joint. All right, so let's go ahead and go to yeah, that's where I need to be. 1842. Okay, so the bot just ran. So we should be safe to run the bot for. Let's see, go to my team. We'll receive. We have 42,614. Praise the Lord. And as you can see, level 2 is starting to catch up with level 1. And level 3 is catching up with level 2. So this is great. Great times ahead, people. All right, so let's go see what the tally is. 29.40. Shoot, almost a $3,000 a day. Can't complain. All right, we'll go to withdraw. 2940. Don't need to mess with the camera. Oh man, I don't have my phone. What is it my phone? Hold 1 second. I'm gonna pause this real quick, people. Yeah, I left it in the truck. I'm back. Phone was definitely in the car. Let's go ahead. Send verification code. Came straight through. Successful. Don't mess with that. Pull that up so we can keep checking it. Let's go over to stable. $67. And the contract we're drawing from stable to build Swapnex. So I think I can do this about, I want to say 10 more times. And then I'm going to have to start re-upping my contracts. So you see we got 74 people in the team, 243 BNB in the team. Taking names. We probably got people in level 6, but I can't see them, so I won't be able to tell you about them. But I'm sure they're there. See what Baked Beans is doing. Baked Beans is at 0.922 BNB. It looks like he's moving a little better. You know what I'm saying? But we're just going to wait. We'll get a full 1 BNB. Straight pulling our initial out. And then just going to keep staking. See what it's going to do. See what it's going to do. That way, it's just be for fun at that time. I mean, I ain't never lost nothing. I mean, it's all profits anyway. I just won't have lost nothing and know that I lost something. All right. So you got StableBNB. You got Baked Beans. We got Metafi. Let's see where we at with the Metafi. What the law is. All right, yeah, so we took the count all the way down yesterday to 0. We did it twice in a row. Oh, I lost. Man. So I did my withdrawal. They both came in like 4 o'clock in the morning. I was not. I went up. So all my withdrawals came in 4 o'clock in the morning. Man, everything was dropping. Bitcoin dropped to like 32. ETH dropped. Everything that I sent dropped. It was like 5%, 6%, some percent. And I think I lost like $500 yesterday. Just while I was just dropping. Of course, I don't know what I lost in fees. So somewhere between fees and that's what we lost. So today, we're making big money now, people. On a daily basis. I mean, you got a $20,000 contract, which is really five. There are 5 $2,000 contracts, if I'm correct. Trying to make sure that's what we did. 25. Let's go. Let's create deposit. So we got 4 $2,500 contracts. That's what happened when you be in so many businesses. You be mixing up what one does, another one does. This one has a 25 for 3.3. So we got 4 of those and 1 big dog. So we got the invest now. We already invested now. I'm trying to figure out like, is there anything? I don't think they never asked me. Answer me. Is there anything special? All right, let's go to transaction. Now I'm gonna go to earnings 420 for today, just from that. Crazy. So how do I compound it? That's what I want to find out. Now they said that they made a video. Let's go to old email. All right, where is it at? Where is it at? Metafi. All right. So this is it. Watch my video about it. Watch here. No? Okay, watch here. So let's see. The summary of this video, it actually goes over
welcome to Metafi users. My name is Michael
how to compound.
I just wanted to introduce you to the new package that we have added to the system. This is basically to keep our members obviously with us. We have added a new, much higher rate that is available to people who are depositing more than $10,000. Have a look at the calculator. Do play around with the amount of money that you're going to put in, whether it's Bitcoin or Ethereum, or how many days that takes for withdrawing or compounding yourself. As we've said before, this is something you have to do yourself. So let's have a look around in the control panel.
Let's see how we come.
At the moment, I haven't put in a $10,000 deposit. I'm waiting for it to actually show up. So the first thing you should do is just to get comfortable with support. Use the chat bubble. There is plenty of support people available and that are ready to talk and help you with any concerns you may have. When you scroll down the page, you actually see people's deposits and withdrawals. This is part of our pure transparency mechanism that we'd like everybody to know what's happening in Metafi yielders, that you can see if anybody's deposited, how much we can know how to play again with the calculator. Shows you how many days you get, and if you choose the compounding amount and so on for the amount of days that you've got in there. Let's start by going to the control panel and seeing our deposits. So you see,
wow. Okay,
we paid the interest that was given to me from the first $10,000 deposit plus my $100 deposit, which I did a month ago. And what you'll see here is it allows me to change the amount of compounding that I'd like done on the amount.
What did he just go to do that?
And what you'll see here is a $1 deposit plus my $100 deposit, which I did a month ago. And what you'll see here is it allows me to change the amount of compounding.
All right, so he did look like he was hovering over create deposit. So let's go to control panel. Create deposit. Let's give it a second to load. 4.2. So maybe he didn't click on the deposit. Control panel. Only thing to here is here withdraw. Let me see. What's withdraw? Coin. Money set. What did he just do? All right, back to the video. What's the video?
Which I did a month ago. And what you'll see here is it allows me to change. See, I've been paid the interest that was given to me from the first $10,000 deposit plus my $100 deposit, which I did a month ago. And what you'll see here is it allows me to change the amount of compounding that I'd like done on this amount. So here I changed
active deposits. All right, so let's see. That maybe that's what it is. Let's go to my deposits. Okay, I think we're there. Oh yeah, change that. We're changing that. I want to do 100%. %. Calculate your profit. All right, so compounding percent, 28. Yeah, I hope y'all can y'all see? Let me make it a little bigger. All right, there we go. So then we could calculate 4.2 profit. Something right. Calculate. For profit, $5,029 deposit. Let's see, 1, 2, 3. How far does this go? Oh, it goes all the way to the 20th. Shit. Is that 25,000? Man. Ooh, that is 25,000. All right, so we're gonna go back, make that small again. We're gonna leave that at 28%. Now we're gonna ride this joke out. That $10,000 joke gonna make us some dough. All right, so change compounded percent, $10,000 deposit for the 4.2. Compound percent, 28. The most I could do, yeah, I'll do 28. Calculate your profit. We just did, and we changed it. So let's go back to deposits. It should say now that I'm actually compounding, not that I wanted to compound. 20%. Boom. All right, so we're gonna let that compound. Yeah, that's a whole, instead of just seeing money pop up in here every day from it, I'd rather it be making it in the background and then just boom, hit like a sledgehammer. And then when I get my initial back, I'm gonna go ahead and just flip it and do the same thing over and over again as long as they allow it. So, yep, Metafi, kicking butt, taking names. This money right here, I can just withdraw it right now if I chose to, because I'm not gonna go higher than this. I was just gonna see what's the sense. Now I'm about to double my my initial investment. Actually, that's like triple, because if I get my 10,000 back and then I get another 20,000 on top of that, it's 30,000 for 10,000. So it's tripling it. So hey, man, that's crazy. Love it, man. Love it. Metafi yielders. On point, kicking butt, taking names. VertForex. Just Google. Google. All right, you see that's steadily growing every single day. 623 in there now, 212. See, referral, $60.70. I'm just gonna keep letting it grow till it gets over 450, and then I'm gonna get me another top package. So we're just gonna let it grow daily. Yeah, and you can watch it as I grow. It tells you everybody that deposit, everybody that didn't deposit. It's pretty tight. I ain't gonna lie, every time they have like a little issue, They fix it fast, come right back. Everything be looking lovely. You go to transaction, the transaction show you everything. $20 earned, $4.30 earned, $20 earned, referral commission for 5.20, earning, referral commission, 50 cents, earning, referral commission, $50. So it shows you everything that you're doing and how you're earning at the same time. So it's a beautiful little program. I mean, it's cute. It got like everything you need like within this little small platform. So I like it. Definitely not gonna complain about it. And it's good because you can put in a minimum amount of money and just grow it because it's 8.2% a day. So you're gonna grow it, and it's gonna grow pretty fast. All right, beautiful people, got to go on here for Swapnex. All right, capture. Oh, shoot, wrong number. Like a certain amount of these and you mess up. Okay. All right, there we go. And I was about to go up. I wasn't typing that. I'm trying to be so fast. All right, here we go. We go to trading. We go to auto. Ah, it's working. Thank you. All right, good stuff. I guess we'll be using this on the VPS here out. 874 in the contract. We're compounding over here, just like we're compounding over there. Compound is the 8th wonder of the world. Residual income is a knife. Gotta have both, people. Got to have both. Because you flip. It allows you to flip money where you start at to where you can go. Look at that. 1350. That's like $200 some dollars, I think. I think it was 11 something yesterday. But yeah, that's like now it's at 1355. So showing you how it's growing. Showing you we got this amount of money inside the contract, TRC20. So we got that amount of money in the contract there. Let me see what is in 4BB. $1,200, 8 and 12, 2,000. That's what that is. 8 and 12 is 2,000. So let's go. Get on my nerves with this one is that you can't copy from here and paste it inside the inside the joint. Or can you? Let's see. All right, so what we're gonna do is we're going to add the money from hold up. Let me go back real quick. Because that's what 847. Can't add all of them because you need enough. Oh yeah, that's more than enough. We can do 4.07. Go to swap. 1240. So we really only need. We do 1218. All right, we'll do 4BNB. We're going to send it through our homeboy. Change now. Go find change now. You got change now. Yeah, that's right. I had to clear all my cookies. Clear all my cookies. So I probably want to get it from my video. All right. Bear with me real quick, people. Let's go to the channel. Thank you all the beautiful people that's still coming. Everybody's watching the videos. And it's like I'm getting a little bit less on my videos because, you know, they're compilation. So some people don't want to see it all. But as soon as I get time to go back and start doing them, you know, as long as I'm putting something out, you know what I'm saying? A lot of people don't like baked beans. So that's kind of funny. All right, here we go. Change now.
So you're literally going to watch me earn several $1,000s while filming this video. Okay, so just keep this number in mind. We're currently at 1.7.
Is that dude?
Let me just refresh this so you can see I'm not.
This dude must be connected to that video. Every time I do this, all right, we're gonna do BNB in, and we're gonna do USD Tron out TRC20. So we're gonna do 4 BNB 1203. So probably 0.05, 0.0. 0.01. That should be enough. Yeah, because it's 847 on the side. I could do it 4. Let's do 4 BNB. That's gonna be enough because I got the 8 something on that side. So BNB and USDT out. Go to exchange. Yep, that's what we want to do. This is what we want to do. So I'm gonna have to change this. Have to go to Swapnex. Get the TRC20 wallet. We're going to add TRC20, DT, TRC20, add to the balance. I did that the first time. 1200. And top up. USDT, TRC20, okay, confirm. Copy that. So now, hopefully I can copy it from here and put it in here. We're about to find out. We can, yes. It was something I was trying to do one time. It would not let me VertForex, TUIX, VertForex, TUIX. All right, so let's go to recipient. That's the wallet. It's going to receive it. Go back one more time. Check it. Yeah, USDT, TRC20, copy, that's coming. All right, so now what we do is we go back to next, confirm. It's going to connect to my wallet. Metamask, deposit Metamask. Come over here, confirm it. All right. So what we're gonna do is when we deposit this, we're gonna straight confirm from the get-go. So because when you go in here, we already got what we need from there. Got the so waiting on that. So yeah, okay. When we first go in it, we're going to go in it auto mode, USDT. So as soon as we come in, we're going to click compound and let it ride. So this will be 12. Oh, she was 1274. 711. Give me a couple BNB. Let's go. We'll get more. We'll get more. More is coming. All right. So let's see. Let's go back to change now. All right. So waiting deposit. So we'll go back to COTPS. Let's see if it's processed. Completed. So that means that money's on the way to the Kraken wallet. Yep. It's already in there. Kraken. All right, let's go back. So show TPS, Metafi 1431, 20. Right. Really, right now, people are just wasting time. So let change now do its thing. Yeah, because we're still awaiting deposit. So Metafi, StableBNB is starting back up. Fake beans at what 9.37. See, it's moving a little faster. I knew it was moving faster because it ain't been that long, and it's already moved up 15. Yeah, it wasn't doing that before. Yeah, like this man, you got to be actively in here doing something. It's not logging you out. Oh, 623, 12 in there. So start right now that we go to make a deposit. It's 150 in there that we can use to make another. So we'll just wait until, like I said, we get to 450. I don't think it's not on exchange yet. Yeah, there's nothing there. We did transactions, deposits, referrals, banners. If you own your own website, which I think I might go back and just get me a website, because instead of putting all my links, I could just put my website. If you're interested in this app, come to here, and then when you come, of course, the first thing is sending to you from my website would be the app you're looking at, but you still got options to look at everything else that we're doing too. So, man, I do have me a nice little TNT TLC joint. I haven't used that thing in so long. I wonder if it's even. It's parked. Free. Get this domain. Huh? I just paid for it this year. You gonna figure out what's going on. They took my money out in February. Oh, they took my dope. Okay. Okay, that was man, Tommy's one. That was a year ago. Okay. Never mind on the TNT TLC. It's still available though. Because who's gonna use it? Other than if your name is like Terrence and Tanya, like me and my wife. That's just two T's. Like Trent and Tammy. Or Trayvon and Tamika. Like business, my network. Okay, let's go to change now. See how far along. Oh, we're exchanging now. Sorry, confirm. It's exchanging. So exchanging BNB for USDT TRC20. And then by the time it's sending to you, we should be. Sometimes you can go in here and go to transactions. You may see it confirming. Obviously, still too early for it to do anything. All right. I think I wasn't going to do this on this video, but I guess I will. Where's my bad? Here we go. I know that the whole Tron store thing left a bad taste in a lot of people's mouths, but people, this is what they were trying to get to. Yoplex. It's an open source staking platform that's 100% transparent. This one right here is built to last. Built to last. Why is it built to last? Look at the percentages. So to get 0.5% daily, you have to put in $15,000 minimum. In order to get 0.25% daily, you have to put 50 USD, $5,000 maximum. In order to get 0.35 a day, you got to put in 5,000. So this is almost close to Hyperverse. This is Hyperverse, but you got to put in a whole lot more to start off. But just like you're just naming something that you might already know of. But this right here is built to last. So I don't know what we're going to start with, but we're definitely going to start it. Because these guys, when they came up with the Yo coin back in 2017, they made millions and millions and millions of dollars. Then we got the Yoplex NFT. Okay, yeah, that's right. They say that's not ready yet. I'll wait and go off of this and start looking to see what's ready yet. And then come back and show everybody what is and what isn't ready yet. But this Yoplex is about to be off the chain because think about it. It's not paying much. It's very more sustainable. The contract is just beginning, so you shouldn't see much. It's only $10,000 in the contract. Because this shit started like today. So it's building. So I want you to watch this contract at 10,000 and watch it grow. And then see the fact that people are not getting paid out as fast. It takes you a whole lot longer to get 100% from here. You got to do this 4 times, then another 100. So in 400 days, think about it. Well, just to get the 1%, and then 400 days before you'll make your money back here. So the whole thing with this is keep putting as much as you can put in up till you get about 5,000. And you'll have a certain daily return. So if you got more than 5,000, you get 0.35. You got 15,000, you'll get 0.5. So it's not a get rich quick, but it's a get rich steadily. And then we got the NFTs going on in the background. So there's a lot of stuff to get into here on Yoplex. All right, people, let's go back to change now. Still exchanging. This is what it did to me the other time. Like, okay, I give it the benefit of the doubt. Give it the benefit of the doubt because it might be still, doing what it's supposed to be doing. Let's go here. Let's refresh it. Still waiting for payment. Dashboard. All right, so obviously the money not come to turnover. Trading. Auto mode. USDT. 874. So obviously the money's not in there yet. So go back. See, it's still exchanging. Let's go back to this Tron, Yoplex. So these owners know what they're doing. They got a lot of backing from America, and of course in India. But this thing right here is set to last. People, you talking about for years and years to come. This is the ultimate. Because then a coin is going to come out of here. It's coming soon. Just try staking platform on Tron Block Exchange, no place. So it's going to be its own staking platform. So that's what I'm saying. This is going to be something major. Like I said, they made them millions and millions of dollars when they did this the first time. And you get paid all the way down on 20 levels. 20 levels of referral income. All right. I'm just reading this for the first time. So I'm winging it while we both talking about it. So I haven't had a chance to actually look at it. So, but I knew it was going to be awesome. It's just trying bite just wasn't built to last. It's paying out too much. And again, excuse me, just like all of them, paying out too much in the beginning. You know what I'm saying? It wasn't arbitrage, because arbitrage is something totally different. It was farming. And you know, sooner or later, liquidity does what liquidity does. So, yeah. Let's go back to change now. Still, cookies. We had the problem. It was BNB. BNB was the one I had a problem with. When I did the Tron, I ain't have a problem because, you know, why would you have a problem with trying it? Oh, look at it. I was just talking trash. While you were just talking trash. All right, let's see where we at. So here. All right, so it's still not in the contract yet. Let's go to wallet. Still not in the balance yet. So it's sending to me now. So sooner or later, this should start popping up. I don't know if this is one of the days you gotta wait till it's actually done to pop up. Like when this gets over, and then it just says, yo, I'm ready. Let's do this. If it's one of those, maybe it'll do it like that. But we'll figure it out. Figure it out real fast. Let's go back. Second, sometimes sending you means sending to you. Uh-oh, there we go. It's in there. 2063. So even though, let's go back and see if it still says sending you. That's what I'm saying. Sometimes it goes a little faster. So, hey, good stuff. Good stuff. Good job correcting me while I was saying that you was taking too long, but then you just sped up like crazy. All right, so the money's already in there. So what we're going to do is come back here. We're going to go to trading, auto mode, USDT, TRC20, compound, and we're going to get us another 120-day order right here. Select it. Right, you got it. Select, upgrade. Boom. Booyah. Booyah. After registration, okay, and these are more so in manual. So we're doing auto. So we won't even mess with those manual. Okay, it didn't take. Let's try it one more time. Boom. Compound interest. Select. Oh, I didn't do create order, did I? Oh, I had upgrade the plan. You know what? People forget. You know what I'm saying? Completed successfully. TRC balance is back to 0. Come down here. Now you see we have 108 days, 119, it's compounding, 111, it's compounding. So we now have 6, a little over 6 G's in the contracts. Let's see, go to dashboard. Dashboard to show you, and it's probably got the update. Oh, well, let's turn over because that's how much you paid so far. They didn't even acknowledge the other one yet. All right, people. So we didn't empty our BNB out again, and we didn't upgrade it again with profits. These are stable opportunities right here. Swapnex, COTPS, Metafi yielders. I'm trying to tell you, man, these ones are just, they're a blessing. They're a blessing. They're a blessing. They're a blessing. VertForex is pretty new, so we're definitely watching it. Success. Leave your review. Shoot 5 stars as always. Even when it did it the last time, I didn't give them a bad review. It went through. What else could I want? You know what I'm saying? All I want for it to do is go through. Please write a review with more than 10 characters. Let's do this. I messed up at. Oh, thanks for my review. I did 5 stars. Yes, yes, yes. Yes, yes, y'all. To the beach, y'all. All right. So we go back here. Obviously, there's nothing that's going to happen this fast. I mean, you know, we're not expecting anything to happen this fast. Unless you see what contracts are actually in trading right now. And then we're going to go ahead and end this video. We kind of did enough of enough. Yeah. Oh, I do want to invest in what's the name in front of y'all. So let me go ahead and make sure I do that. Okay, 1335 still there because the new one, they didn't do no orders yet. It's too soon. Too soon in the game. So they got 1 to 8 for this one starting. Look at these percentages: 0.7, 0.7, 0.7, 0.6. Yeah. Oh, you know what? I got another Bitcoin. You know, it's cool. I don't even want to diversify. I'm diversified by having 3. That's enough. I'm not going to diversify with Bitcoin. Bitcoin's kicking butt. I'm going to keep it because it's going up and it's just doing all kinds of stuff up and down. Like, and then it's going more down than up. So, yeah, we're good with it. All right, beautiful people. So we're going to go back over here. What we at? Yoplex. Okay. 5 daily, 5,000 USD, 50 USD, amount in USD. Now we're trying to pay. Let me see. Oh, I gotta connect it. All right, I'm connecting it to my Triumph wallet. We're gonna do. I wonder how much. Okay, right now. Try. Shoot, I'm almost close to 5,000 trying. Let me see something. I mean, 5,000. Almost about to make me put some more money in this month. So I just get it started, just to get it started. Yeah, I'm gonna move some more money. I'm just not gonna do this on this video. I'm too close to that one. I can't sleep with myself. You know what I'm saying? You only need 900 more trying, and I could be over here. So I'm just gonna move some more money over and get that. So yeah, we're not gonna even. You know, let me go to my homeboy right where we at. Do they pay me? No, they don't pay me in Tron. It's USDT ERC. Okay, I'm about to say. See if one of these withdrawals was Tron. Bitcoin, ERC, and TRC20. All right. I'm gonna wait till tomorrow before I mess with it because I want to see what it does within the next 24-hour period. And we will be at Disney tomorrow, so I'll try to find some type of time to be able to do this. Yeah, we'll figure it out. All right, beautiful people. Like, subscribe, rock that bell, join the team. It's your boy Terrence Gibson. The new addition now is going to be Yoplex. I know it's going to take some time for some people to get into it and get Yoplex to get into it, but man, this is set up for the long haul. This is set up for the long haul. Because as you can see right here, these are those what you call it? Those oh, actually they got a new contract out with 0.35 in it now. So yeah, those are those hyperverse numbers right there. So let's see if you put in 5,000 times 0.5. It's $175. I do that right? Wow. No, I didn't do that right. That's not right. It's like, hold up. So it's not 3%, it's 0.3%. So $17.15, $17.50 a day off of $5,000. But it's going to keep going. It doesn't really say a period of time. It like it just goes for what I think it was about 400 daily for intermediate 5,000 max amount, no limit on that one. Choose your staking or this possible 50%, 0.25. I don't see anything saying how long it's going to run. But let's check out this quick video real quick. Might as well. Is it on there? Oh, is this the video they was asking me to do? You know, let me get back with them and find out, because I might be the one that has to do the video. Step 1, choose your Tron wallet, which you got that. Welcome to your got that. Approve payment, let Tron network approve your payment, got that. Two-step process for small fee, video Tron. Okay, got that. Yes. How do I know that my investment is safe? You verify your investment details through the smart chain contract. What kind of encryption do you use? Depending on the traffic of Tron blockchain. What I'm saying is, people, we got to have some Tron. Because Tron is the only one going up while everything else is going down. Tron is the only one going up while everything's going down. So let me find out some more information about this. And then I will put it in my video. Okay? Like, subscribe, rock that bell. Join our team. Start your faith walk today. People, God bless.